Hello guys, we had the Benin boys, the Benin brothers, I would say Rema, Shallipopi and Zero performing at the Wireless Festival. This was so exciting for the fans to see these two superstars on their stage while they were displaying their god talents to everyone around there. So Rema and Shallipopi performed their hit song they just met recently, and everyone already knew the lyrics, singing the song rather word for word was the occasion. And I must say that I'm a big fan of Rema. Rema is just blessed, a young guy at 24 already doing global shit and is international. Charlie Poppy, on the other hand, is just a very strong guy who has strength in terms of his music career and also whatever business he ventures into. Taking his younger brother is a bold step of him again to show that he loves people around him and wants to see everyone succeed. And that's why I would really say it's one of the biggest thing I care about that guy. So watch the whole performance and let me know in the comment section what you really like about any of them, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. What is your next destination? Should I give you my touch me boy, you got touch food nation. Come on.